In this video, we're going to talk about the rubrospinal tract. So the function of this tract is to stimulate our flexor muscles, mostly in the upper extremity. So where it originates is in the red nucleus, which is in the midbrain. And the red nucleus needs to be stimulated by something. So there are two different options that will stimulate the red nucleus. So the first one is from the cerebral cortex up here, which helps us by the cortico-rubral fibers. So these fibers come down from the cerebral cortex and will then continue as the corticospinal tract. But the rubrospinal tract just starts in the red nucleus and then goes down from there. The other option that stimulates the rubrospinal tract is the cerebellum. And within the cerebellum, we have two nuclei. So we have the globose and the emboliform. So these two nuclei will also send stimulation to the red nucleus, which will then start the rubrospinal tract. As we know, the cerebellum helps with proprioception and with muscle coordination and movement. So once the red nucleus is stimulated, the rubrospinal tract crosses in the midbrain at the decussation. So that's number 4 right here. It will then travel down and enter into the lateral white column, which is number 5. Then this tract will stimulate the alpha and gamma in the anterior horn, which is number 6. And then those two neurons will exit the spinal cord at the muscle that it wants to innervate, which would be our flexor muscles. And we know that the alpha will stimulate our extrafusal muscles and the gamma is going to innervate our intrafusal muscles, which would be our muscle spindle.